The world is not ending, it's just beginning. In a world flooded by automation, your creativity might be the last thing machines can't replicate. Imagine this: a coder in Brazil solves a global water crisis. With nothing but a neural network, a paintbrush, and a wild idea. Welcome to the new era, where logical thinking alone won't save you. But creative problem solving will define your destiny. We've entered a world where AI writes code, paints masterpieces, even writes love songs. So what's left for us? The answer is terrifying and thrilling. The only limit is your imagination. You are no longer a passive worker, you're a creative architect in an AI-powered universe. In the age of AI, problems are bigger. But so are the possibilities. Your ability to merge logic with emotion, pattern with spontaneity, and knowledge with intuition is now your greatest asset. Picture this: a surgeon in Tokyo working side by side with an AI assistant that visualizes a solution in real time. But it's his creative judgment that decides to save a life. Or an engineer in Kenya designing a solar drone after watching a tutorial, and feeding the concept into a generative design algorithm. Machines can optimize, but you can imagine. And imagination is now a superpower. We're entering a world where AI doesn't steal your job, it gives you a jetpack. But the question is, do you know where to fly? Creative problem solving isn't just for artists, it's for CEOs, engineers, teachers, and dreamers. Because the world is shifting from "how do I do this?" to "what if I did this differently?" We're standing at the edge of a reality where curiosity beats credentials. Where your boldest ideas might just become your greatest inventions. Because AI can replicate the past, but only you can invent the future. Let that sink in: the future won't belong to those who memorize, but to those who reimagine. It won't reward perfection, it will celebrate creativity under pressure. A music producer turns ChatGPT into a genre-bending collaborator. An entrepreneur uses an AI translator to build a cross-cultural startup. A single mom designs an AI-powered cooking assistant in her kitchen after hours. And they all have one thing in common: they see problems as puzzles to be played with. This is what thriving in the AI era looks like. Not competing with machines, but co-creating with them. Not resisting change, but shaping it with fearless innovation. In just 5 years, your wildest what-if could become the next world-changing company. Because in the future, solving problems won't require a manual, just a mind on fire. So I'll ask you this: when the world hands you a problem, will you respond with fear? Or will you smile and say, "Let's get creative"? Because in the neo-machine era, your imagination is your machine.